Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a blue foil snowflake nail art design that was inspired by Tal from Nail Art by Tal. She is extremely talented and I will leave a link to her Instagram down below. Tal did a really beautiful red and orange autumn design with some leaves, and I thought it would be fun to put a winter twist with some blue foil and snowflakes, so let's go ahead and get on into the tutorial. On my thumb, ring finger, and pinky nails, I applied this dreamy blue flaky polish from STARRILY called Diamond Rain. I got this from NailStuff.ca and I applied 2 coats of this and then a fast drying top coat on top. So for my index nail and my middle nail, I'm going to start off with the base coat and then 1 coat of this sheer nude polish from China Glaze called Innocence. And for this design, I'm going to be using a light blue foil and a dark blue foil, so I just cut off 2 really small pieces from the roll. Then I'm going to use this transfer foil gel from Born Pretty, and I'm going to paint a few brush strokes by my free edge and cure that in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. Starting with the dark blue foil, I'm going to place that on my nail with the blue side facing up, and then I'm going to use the pads on my fingers to push it down where I had that transfer foil gel. And I'll fill in the empty areas with a couple more brush strokes of that transfer foil gel and cure that for 30 seconds. And then I just use the light blue foil to fill in those areas. And for the snowflakes, I'm using What's Up Nails Block My Mind white stamping polish and Maniology's M041 stamping plate to stamp a couple of snowflakes on top of the foil. I was worried that the stamps might not stick to the foil, but I had no issues with stamping. And to finish off this design, I added a layer of a fast drying top coat, and here is the finished blue foil snowflake design that was initially inspired by Tal. Let me know what you think of this design in the comments below, and be sure to check out Tal's Instagram because she has some beautiful designs. I will leave a link in the description box below, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!